Up, pull up, lift up, lift up, or pull up more. Very good. Wow. Good. Good sign. Okay. What?
The bump has gone.
The bump has gone. Open your mouth and say. Yeah. So you can see a small curve, right? Open your mouth again. So it's. Can you do like this? Can you? Can? So you can see a small curve, right? How you get this curve? Please. have a sit.
By working 24/7 on the computer.
So she said that by working 24 hours, 7 days into the computer. So she's saying live, 12 hours a day. Okay. So when you do this again and again, so it started. But still, are you feeling any pain or something?
No, but stiffness in the neck.
Okay, if she feels stiffness in the neck. So now it's getting ready to make the dishes into her neck. Okay, disc bulb or something like that. So now what we have to do on this? So I checked her neck and I saw. So I saw the stiffness into the neck. Now the bones small just come out. So what we have to do? I make her first scientifically. I make her first her neck, all the muscles. Is it feeling pain? Yes. Say English.
Do it gently.
Do it gently. Gently cannot work. So her neck have a. Hey, Hidu, the phone is still working, right? Okay. So now she's stiff. So we have to first work for the stiffness. Okay. So here's stiffness. देखो अभी ये देखो this is the stiffness. Okay. So are you feeling pain, right?
Yes.
Yes. Speak loudly. Okay. So this side and small. Let it. Open your mouth and say. Yes. So when you breathe out, the pain will relieve. Okay. So come this side, please. So now this side. Come this side. Yes. So you see the stiffness, right? Little backward. Is it okay? Hidu, go back. Go back small. That's good. Okay. So now here I have a stiffness. Open your mouth again. So it's feeling pain. So I can tell you that this is all the pain of the stress of the mind. Every day you sleep. Hey, put the camera up. Can I see me? Can see the camera? Yes, okay. So when you have a stress a lot, when you're going to sleep, you wake up gently, normally in the morning.
Like and subscribe.
The pain always go into the neck, then slowly spinal cord, then all the pain inside of the body. So it's very important. You see, still is very stiffness. Oh my God. Let me check. First, we need to make soft that all muscles. After then, tell you to relax. माँ ओपन नहीं माँ खींच मत ना क्यों गर्दन खींच रही है छोड़ दे करते रहना आपने ताकि दर्द का एहसास ना हो छोड़ो so I make her neck small soft and so now let the time to stretch the neck. After that I'll show you all the how to do exercises. Okay, breathe out.
अगर टूट जाएगी.
English, please speak in
Don't
English.
break my neck.
Don't break it. Don't crack my neck. Breathe out. One more time. Again breathe out. Breathe out. Nice. Good. One more time. Breathe out. Good. So this is a gently. Okay. The second one is most important stretch of the neck. About the stress, this one is only make your neck relax. Open your mouth. Close the eyes. Breathe out. Yes. Good. Leave the hand on. Breathe out. Again. One more time. Nice. It's crack small. Put the camera up. Yes. One more time. Let's go. And then breathe out. Wow. Very good. Now it becomes small, soft. Wait, relax. Don't worry. So you feel small dizzy. It's naturally because the blood push into your brain. When the blood push into your brain, what happens? The people start feeling dizzy, small. Okay? It's positive sign. Don't worry. Again, last time. This is last time. Again, open your mouth. Good. Okay. So this is small. Make the relax. Now we need to make the crack her. Small neck. So let's check.
अबे क्रैक रुक मत कर.
Don't move your phone. Just keep one stand place. तू हिंदी में बोले इंग्लिश में बोल.
Don't crack my neck.
Relax. Relax तो रहे. Wow. Good. Good sign. Okay. Relax. Okay. Good. Nice. So I just make it soft. All the muscles. Now she just feel relaxed. Are you feeling relaxed?
Yes.
Yes. So now we will work for her neck curve. Okay. Sure. Inhale. Exhale. Whoa. How is it? You're feeling relaxed? Sit down. Sit down. So I just small make the neck relaxation. That's the main important thing, her curve. Okay. Come here, Hridya. Come here. Come this side. Yes. Look at me here. Yes.
Like
Cover
and
up.
subscribe.
See. So now I make her all hair curve. Now we will work for the this curve. Okay. So what we have to do? गुड़िया गर्दन ऊपर कीजिए. आपने यहाँ पुश करना है. करो गर्दन ऊपर. ऊपर करो. खींचो उसको पूरा. धक्का मार पीछे. मुझे मार धक्का. मारो. बोलो आ. खींचो. कैमरा ऊपर करो. और करो. बस छोड़ो. दोबारा गर्दन ऊपर करो. पूरा खींच ऊपर कर दो. ठीक है. अब मार धक्का पीछे. चिल्ला. ओके. So at least camera. Yes. So at least 10 to 15 times I have to do that. Okay. Then only it will be pushed. One more time. Let's go. खींचो. Yes, guys. But आपने गर्दन से खींचना है. इससे नहीं खींचना है. पुश आपने गर्दन से मारना है. आप गर्दन से पुश करोगे तो यहाँ से ओपन होगा. ठीक है. पिछवाड़े से नहीं मारना है आपने धक्का.
English. Speak in English.
Yes, please. You don't have to push from your back. You have to push from your neck. Okay. So neck, how you will push? You will push like this. Okay. Again. आराम आराम से खींच. गर्दन खींच. गर्दन पीछे खींच. हाँ ये खींचो. Very good. खींचो. बोलो. Nice. Good. Oh wow. Wait. Okay. One more time. मैं आ रहा हूँ ना. खींचो. गर्दन खींच. और खींच. Very good. Nice. अभी just we will do 3-4 times. I will show you all. दिख रहा है ना? 1, 2, 3. Go. Again. Push from your neck. Pull again. Okay. So it's quite hard. दिमाग में ब्लड जाना शुरू हो चुका है. आप देख रहे हैं खुजली हो रही है.
जुआ है कि कुछ भी है?
नहीं
नहीं खुद ही होती है।
नहीं, अभी खून धक्का मारते ना वहाँ पर तो खुजली होने, नींद होने, चक्कर आना, ये सब चलता रहता है। चल अगेन, वन मोर टाइम। नहीं रुक जा रहा हूँ, गर्दन को पकड़, गर्दन को पकड़ आराम से। ठीक है, नेक अप, लिफ्ट अप, खींचो खींचो और खींचो, ले और जा पीछे पीछे, और आओ और आओ और आओ, वेरी गुड। So 4 or 5 times already. Let's do 2 or 3 times. Let's do 2 or 3 times more than again. चलो again up. गुड़िया, first focus.
करूँ पुश?
रुक जा. Again push up, up, push. ऊपर करो कैमरा, खींचो. Good.
ठीक है।
चल गुड़िया, एक और बार खींचो, गर्दन ले और ले, और तेज मार, चिल्ला और लो, यस। तो shouting is most important because when you shout, your lots of anger emotions come out. Okay, when you're angry, how you fight always change the body. Okay, again गर्दन पकड़, गुड़िया इसको छोड़ दे 1 मिनट के लिए।
अरे कुछ भी हो गया।
ओके 1 2 3 गो, खींचो और लगाओ, पुश पुश, नाइस। सो वन मोर लास्ट टाइम वी ट्राई एंड आई थिंक वी विल नॉट पुश अ लॉट, आई थिंक slowly we will go again 1 2 3 up, pull up, lift up, lift up or pull up more, very good, okay nice. So let's see how is the improvement. अब छोड़ दे उसको. So I can show you, see now the curve become soft, the bone go less. पापा दिखाओगे थोड़ा, यहाँ पर आओ, यहाँ पर आओ, खड़े हो जाओ, आराम से दिखाओ, थोड़ी गर्दन सीधी करियो, थोड़ी सी गर्दन सीधी. So बस, so you see it's just small fat now and the curve. अब इस need a small exercises. Now I'm going to show you the exercises all. Lift up neck and you have to do this. Are you feeling relaxed, right? Now relax. Okay. आ रहा हूँ कि नहीं आ रहा? हाँ बताओ. What?
The bump has gone.
The bump has gone. Why you felt that?
My neck feels pain. Plain.
Plain you. Oh.
There is no bump.
So there is no bump. So what she speak there in the camera, please?
Yeah, I'm feeling relaxed. I'm feeling relaxed and the bump is gone.
Bump is gone already, but it's not gone. I just small push it. Okay, it just scan, and after then now she will continue some exercises at least 2 or 3 weeks, and it's completely become a normal and naturally completely okay. What about your neck now? How is the neck now? Take right, left. Is it feeling good?
Yes.
How is it feeling?
Light. It's feeling light.
Can you stand please? Let me see. Oh. So for my side I did it, but not all. Okay. So tell me about you. Check it yourself.
Yeah,
Speak loudly.
the bump is gone and I don't feel any pain.
Oh. So bump is gone. How you feel? Why?
It is feeling light and I can move my neck freely.
Wow. Are you feeling dizzy or something?
No, I'm feeling.
How is it? Can you do like this? Can you? Can?
Yes.
Is it comfortable for you?
Yes.
And the shoulder? Wow. Is it good?
Yes.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you here, not
Thank
there.
you.
Oh, thank you.